Notion costs $10 per user per month, AppFlowy costs 0. Notion holds your data on its servers, AppFlowy runs on your own machine. The trade is simple: pay with money or pay with setup time. AppFlowy gives you the second option. It is the leading open-source Notion alternative with 72,472 stars on GitHub. That number tells you something. People want control. You can run AppFlowy in one command. Docker compose upd, that is it. If you have Docker installed, you are 3 seconds from a running workspace. The official repository gives you a Docker compose YAML file. You download it, you run it. The backend is Rust. The front end is Flutter. The database is PostgreSQL. 3 technologies that scale. Rust gives you speed and safety. Flutter gives you a native feel on desktop and mobile. PostgreSQL gives you reliable storage. No proprietary cloud, no hidden sync server. AppFlowy brings projects, wikis, and teams together with AI. You get databases, documents, and Kanban boards in one interface. You can create a page, turn it into a table, link it to another page. The AI assistant helps you summarize text, generate content, or rewrite paragraphs. You control the AI model. You bring your own API key. That means no data leaves your instance. The database view supports properties like text, numbers, dates, and checkboxes. You can filter, sort, and group rows. The Kanban board lets you drag cards between columns. The calendar view shows your tasks on a timeline. All of this works offline. All of this syncs when you reconnect. AppFlowy runs on Linux, macOS, Windows, iOS, and Android. One codebase. Flutter makes that possible. The Rust backend handles authentication, file storage, and collaboration. Real-time editing is coming. Right now you can share workspaces with other users if you set up a server. The official server software is open source. You run it, you own it. AppFlowy is not a complete Notion clone. Notion has 3 million plugins, AppFlowy has a few hundred. Notion has mature templates, AppFlowy has a growing library. AppFlowy is in active development. Version 0.4.5 was released recently. The mobile app works but feels slower than the desktop version. The AI feature is experimental. You need an OpenAI-compatible endpoint. That is an extra cost if you use a paid provider. What is missing? Reliable real-time collaboration. Notion lets 10 people edit the same document at once. AppFlowy locks edits per page. That works for small teams. For larger teams, it becomes a bottleneck. The plugin system is early. You can build custom widgets, but the documentation is thin. The block editor loses some formatting when you paste from other apps. The API is not stable. Expect breaking changes. What is good? The architecture is clean. Rust handles concurrency better than JavaScript. You can inspect every line of backend code. The Flutter frontend feels responsive. The database views are fast even with thousands of rows. You control your backups. You can dump the PostgreSQL database and restore it anywhere. That is not possible with Notion. You cannot export a full Notion workspace with all relationships. AppFlowy gives you JSON export. You own your data. If you want a private, self-hosted alternative to Notion, AppFlowy is the best option today. It is free, it is fast, it is getting better every month. Star the repository at github.com/appflowy/appflowy. Subscribe to Open Sourcery for more tools that do not cost a subscription. Comment below, what is the one feature you need before you leave Notion? I read every reply.